Hi there, capital budgeting probability. This is Uttam. Uncertainty of investment decision. Purpose investment $200,000 with the project period of 4 years recovery. Find the profit or loss probability. Amount of investment and the probability percentage expected to no loss, the first ground. And the second, monetary value of investment and the probability at least 1 year of profit out of investment. And the third one, investment that will 2 year profit and 2 year loss. And the fourth one, investment that will 3 year profit and the 1 year loss. If profit and loss is equally probable, at most 2 year of loss, investment and its percentage. Let's start. In order to solve the above questions, I'm going to use the binomial distribution function, which is working note for me. Binomial distribution function P equal to Q equal to half. Here, small n, that is the project recovery period, and the capital N is capital budgeting or the projected monetary value. Let P the parameter of binomial distribution that answer the questions. R be the number of success in attaining profit probability. Q be the 1 minus P, and this is the binomial distribution function formula. Plugging the value into this formula, we obtain this one. Here our success is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 because 4 is our period of recovery. Assigning the value into the formula, we get this one. Let's go. Now let's solve the first question. Amount of investment and the probability of percentage expected to no loss. So this is the capital budgeted investment, and we assign the value we have already calculated in the previous slide, the formula, and upon the solving of this formula we get the $12,500, that is 6.25% of investment, calculated as follow, meaning to say $12,500 out of total investment $200,000 is expected to no loss. Please note, this amount 12,500 is not the amount of no loss. This is the investment money which will no loss under provided condition. Probability of being $12,500 investment no loss is 6.25%. In order to solve this problem, we'll use the scientific calculator. Here $200,000 into 4 shift and the NCR, and the R is 0 here, and multiply 1 divided by 16. It's very simple. Even if you don't have the good knowledge about the statistical or the binomial distribution, still you can simply assign the values and you can get the figures. See, this is the amount 12,500 which is here. Let's go to the next. Number 2, monetary value of investment and the probability at least 1 year profit. So for the 1 year profit, we use the formula the same way. Upon the calculation, we get the 187,500. This is the how we solve the problem. The calculator. Let's make clear. 1000, then 1 minus 1 divided by 16. I'll move here. See, invested money that will at least 1 year of profit is 187 500, that is 93.75% of total investment. Please note that this amount 187,500 is not the amount of 1 year profit. This is the investment money which will give at least 1 year profit during 4 years. We don't know how much profit amount inherent. This is the key point to understand. This is the investment, not the profit. This much investment money will at least generate 1 year profit. The condition. Let's go to the third questions. Value of investment that will 2 year profit and 2 year loss. Upon calculating the same binomial distribution function, we get the $75,000. This means this amount out of total investment is expected to 2 year profit and 2 year loss, which is 37.5% of total investment. Please note that $75,000 is not profit and loss amount, but this much investment gives 2 year profit and 2 year loss. We never know how much profit or loss inside, because we are not calculating the profit and loss, we are calculating the year of profit and the amount. Let's go to the another one. Investment that will 3 year profit and 1 year loss. The projected amount and the formula plugging in. This formula we have calculated in the working note in the first slide, and we receive here $50,000, that is 25%, which comes like this. This means $50,000 of total investment will give 3 year profit and 1 year loss. Probability of being 50,000 investment profitable and 1 year loss is 25%. Please note again, 50,000 is not 3 year profit and 1 year loss amount, but this much investment gives 3 year profit and 1 year loss. We never know the profit and loss. We jump to the last one. If the profit and loss is equally probably at most 2 year loss of investment and its percentage, we will plug the value in the same formula but bit differently, because 2 years, 2 years, so 0, 1, 2, we get the value of 137,500 investment is expected to at most 2 year of loss, which is 68.75% of total proposed projected capital. Please note that this figure $137,500 is not 2 year loss amount, but this is investment gives at most 2 year loss, which is 68.75% chance of being at most 2 year loss of 137,500 investment. We never know how much loss. This is the how we can calculate the capital budgeting under uncertainty investment decision. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up and share it.